Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to merge or combine multiple PDFs on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Files app on your iPhone. Then open the folders where you have the PDF files. Tap three dots on top right and tap Select. Choose the PDF files to combine or merge. Then tap three dots on bottom right and tap Quick Actions. Also tap Create PDF. That's it. The Files app will create a new PDF file continuing the merged files you picked. You can tap and hold on New Created PDF file and tap Rename. Rename the PDF. So these are the steps to merge or combine multiple PDFs on iPhone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.